Welcome to SleepClean. We specialise in professional, chemical-free mattress cleaning and sanitising services that will clean and restore the health of your mattress. Our certified technicians are fully trained professionals that pride themselves on being mattress cleaning experts. All we do are mattresses, so we can ensure a premium service. Initially, our technician will discuss and assess your mattress concerns before starting your mattress cleaning service. Once we have assessed your mattress, we will begin a powerful vacuum extraction using a HEPA filter, which prevents allergens and micro dust from entering the air in your room. This process will remove built-up soil in the fabric, dust and allergens, which can affect eczema, asthma and other health issues. Before we begin our deep cleaning process, we will pre-treat any issues such as protein-based soil, urine and blood with a chemical-free enzyme cleaner, which will also break down any odour-causing crystals. To achieve effective deep cleaning, we use the vacuum extraction process in conjunction with the dry steam vapor system. This process gets deep into the fabric fibres, ensuring maximum cleaning results, which we will show you at the end. Our final step to complete your mattress cleaning service is to disinfect and sanitize your mattress. This process also includes applying high-pressure steam to the mattress edges where bed bugs and dust mites like to nest, effectively eliminating them. Our process uses temperatures of 165 degrees, which will eliminate 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, germs and mold spores. The whole process takes around 45 minutes, and thanks to our dry steam vapor technology, your mattress will be ready to sleep on within 2 hours. With guaranteed high quality mattress cleaning and sanitizing and exceptionally dedicated customer service, we ensure to always meet and exceed our customers' expectations. For more information, feel free to contact us 1300 881 886 or visit us at www.sleepclean.com.au.